Welcome! Thanks for choosing Mojozy, your business partner that provides tips and lessons to become better therapists. We value your time, so we keep our lessons short and simple. Don't forget to provide us a thumbs up if this video is helpful. Subscribe or follow if you want similar content, and share so that your colleagues and friends can benefit too. You absolutely hate the bureaucracy of insurance companies. You feel that insurance providers do not reasonably compensate you for your services, but you convince yourself that you did not enter this field to become rich. Can you relate to this? There is no reason that you cannot supplement your insurance clients with full fee clients. Here are a few approaches. First, know your worth. This is all about self-confidence and being realistic. Some of you are newer professionals, and your value and what you charge may reflect it. Others are more seasoned and have a lot more to offer. Regardless of your status, you should not lower your fees solely because you think it would attract more clients. Of course, there is a limit as to how much full-fee clients will pay, but pricing influences perceptions about your worth. For example, you have probably experienced trying to decide between two similar products to purchase. One is priced slightly higher than the other, but you cannot figure out why. In the end, you purchase the higher-priced product assuming it is better or more valuable, and you spend the next moments convincing yourself that this is the case. Second, develop a specialization so that you can be positioned as an expert. There is the tendency to feel that you must be all things to all clients, or that you will miss out on potential clients if all the service boxes are not checked. But imagine if you were a client. If you had hearing difficulties, then you will probably want to see an ear, nose, and throat specialist. Why? Well, because the specialist has spent years of training and practice resolving these issues. If your preference is a specialist, then why wouldn't you think that your potential clients would not want the same? This is especially the case with full-fee clients who have much more flexibility with who they choose as a therapist. This does not mean that you should only treat clients who fit your specialization, but you should certainly highlight one or two of your strengths or specialties. Third, promote your services in several directories. Because you are aiming beyond insurance directories, you will need to promote your services. Although Psychology Today may be your go-to directory, there are several other credible and visible directories that exist. The more that you can get your name, brand, and specialization promoted, the better. Many of these directories offer free trials, so you should take advantage of them. But even if you end up paying a monthly listing fee, it only takes getting one client to cover all of your listing costs for perhaps more than a year. In other words, it pays for itself. Fourth, clearly communicate how you might solve your client's problem. It is amazing how many therapists focus only on what they offer, but neglect to mention how they will approach the client's issue. Or therapists will throw out confusing terms or acronyms that the average person does not understand. The potential full-fee client must get a sense in layperson's terms of what to expect. For example, if your specialization is depression, instead of mentioning that your approach is cognitive behavioral therapy, you might mention that your approach is to focus on the client's beliefs and attitudes that are impacting their emotions, and to provide clients with the tools to help themselves. And last, offer a free consultation. Perhaps for many of you, this is a no-brainer. But it is amazing how many therapists exclude this as a routine part of their practice, or even promote that consultations are encouraged. It is often offered inconsistently, or only if they have time. A free consultation helps decide whether there will be an optimal therapist-client fit. As such, it will be cost-effective in the long run, because if the fit is not right, you would have saved valuable time and effort. The approach to offering free consultations is based on a long-time social psychology principle called foot in the door technique. Simply put, this means that engaging someone in an effortless or cost-free task will dramatically increase the likelihood this person will later agree to a higher level commitment. We have all experienced this at the shopping mall when we are offered free samples from a fast food outlet. If we like the sample, then we are sold on buying the full meal. Free consultations are the same. Prospective clients have already invested their time and perhaps emotional energy in you during the consultation, so they are likely to take the next step and move forward with you. Visit us at www.mojozy.org for more information. And please don't forget to provide a thumbs up, subscribe, follow, and share if you like this lesson.